we have certain transactions that we will record, and then we will understand how the accounting flow will take place, right? It wants something? Now, show it.
So being from MPC background, it helped me a lot to gain much more knowledge in the field of commerce.
Before this, I was having some doubt in accountants, but this changed the whole concept of accounting.
I attended the seminar. I was really nervous of how it's going to be, and I thought I couldn't find all the informative things. But after the interval and by the time the seminar was going to finish, I felt very informative about everything.
Because of this commerce workshop, I get to know everything, and I think I will ace my further studies.
Today we are fortunate to do a commerce workshop for the first year students. In this workshop we try to explain the need of the consumer to the preparation of financial statement.
It was a 3-hour workshop and the students seem to have enjoyed the workshop. Us as instructors also enjoyed the workshop quite much. Thank you so much.